Socks, I'm gonna dive off in that mattress now. Take your time.
Yeah, chuck on Socks. Yeah. Yes, let's stretch our chuck on.
Life, take your time. Yo.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurrain Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Check in.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so we're there. I don't know freestyle.
Big up Hurrain Freestyle.
Link up with Color Summit TV, so you know what's it now go normal. Yes, alright, now we are go up on the hill, we are going to check out Socks house and so I go on the hill. Yo, so right now we're at Socks house. Right now we are going to check out what are going for the house. Take your time. Yo, the whole team out. You mean, Socks?
Yeah.
Yo, the house beautiful, bro. Nah, lie. The house is a vibes, bro. Yes. Yeah. Yo, and the view is something to. Yo, the view is something to die for. You're just outside. And you're just overlooking the ocean. Yo, it's just beautiful, yo. Nice banana tree in the backyard. Breadfruit tree. Yo. So right now we're going to go on top of the house.
Yeah, walk out. And the step out, the step over it. Yeah. The step right and the step over.
Alright, so we're going on top of the house. We're going to come right here, so. And we're going to step there, so. And then we're just going to go over.
Yeah, that's step up now. Come up, man.
You're Radam.
That is it. That is it. That is it. That is it.
Yeah, so we're on top of the house now. And we're overlooking the ocean. It survives.
Yeah.
How would you see the great man, yeah? Isa? Alright. Freestyle link up with Color Summit TV, so I already know the vibes. And the ladies are here. Shelly is here. Odette is here. And we're just outside here holding our vibes. You know what you say?
Blessings, love, yeah?
Every time, you already know.
Out here.
Alright. Oh, no, put up some curtains. Oh, cool, no, man. Real way.
Boy, I'm now looking at first, girl, if you see it. There?
Yeah.
Alright. That's between me and you. Nobody can stop it on the rest.
Well, I must say the guys do a wonderful work with this house. Right on the hill. Yeah.
I want a hammock. Sleepy.
Yo, bro, up here, so you don't need no fan bridging. You're good.
No, exactly.
Yeah, because you get the water, the breeze off of the ocean.
Everything.
Yo, trust me, bro.
Everything.
Ladies, how is it going? Enjoying yourself?
Right here.
Right.
Exactly.
Right here.
Real.
Just to make everything grand.
Yeah.
Only could lounge right the sun, just get your coffee and come out and just sit back and you know. No worry, no
Overlooking the ocean. Yo, trust me. Socks, you have a good spot where you put your house, bro. Yeah. Trust me. Look at that.
Yo, when this sun set, the most nice, no Joe?
Should be.
Yo, Stacks. When the sun set, the most nice, no Joe? The most nice, son.
Yeah, so right now, Stacks, I put up some curtains.
Bill. So we're going to the store yesterday and do that. So sandboxing to see what.
Right now, that's when I get some.
Lighting good. Big up to Rose, I mentioned Rose. We designed the curtain them. Now we put up the curtain them, but we want to take them down and iron them. Now we just want to see how them look. Very nice.
Right.
Yeah. That's also why I want to do this. Go back and see this. Yeah. You cut the box, man. We have to do the box. Cut the box.
Yeah, I'm cutting them. Well, first can't you gonna
Where are we going?
Go on, feel the fish.
Go.
Enjoy.
Yeah, lovely. What do you mean, Socks? This is it. This is it, bro.
Come in. You screw on the well, you're not going to screw them on yet. Go to you. Put them on after. That's one more.
That was alright, that was Socks.
Yes, man, you come play one,
Socks mattress. Yo, Socks, I'm a dive off in that mattress, you know. Take your time.
Yeah, chuck on Stacks.
Yeah.
Yes, let's stretch our chuck on.
Life, take your time. Yo. Yes, so basically Socks just get a brand new mattress, a fridge and a stove. I love that.
So watch out now. You know, slowly but surely. Well, as you see, you can basically come in and and sleep and yeah. I give this thing, you have a place to cook. I have a place to sleep.
That's easy.
Yeah.
Oh, we love him, you have to go up there again. One more time. One more time. One more. What's that? No. What's that run play? What happened? No, but I'm not quick, man.
Oh, that's a
No. Diver. Then I jump the first time and jump now. And she crowd, you know. Yeah, man. Good.
Get that. So what's up by Sack's house? Yeah, guys, and as you can see, guys, he's just get a mattress, a stove, and a fridge. So right about now, we're about to pick some breadfruit, and we're gonna go by the river. We're going to cook some food, and we're just going to hold our vibes. So just stay tuned, guys, and just go and watch our go on. In the meantime, remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, just hit the subscription button. Join the freestyle movement. And one thing with the country, guys, you can never hungry. Right here we have some plantain in the bag. In the bag we have some green bananas and mango. It's a country vibes.
Yes! Yeah. Take your time. Take your time. Yes.